The automobile has long been a symbol of luxury, status, and even power. Today, the horizon has expanded far beyond even that. We now stand at the zenith of automotive excellence, where the $1 million mark is but a starting point. Welcome to Prestige Wheels, and these are the 10 luxury cars even millionaires can't afford. Number 10, the Bugatti Divo, $5.8 million. The Bugatti Divo stands as a tribute to French racing legend Albert Divo, celebrated for his victories in Bugatti cars during the 1920s. This limited production hypercar, with only 40 units ever made, embodies an advanced aerodynamic design honed for track performance. Its sleek profile and lightweight construction distinguish it from other models in Bugatti's lineup, making it a true performance beast. The Divo combines striking aesthetics with exceptional agility. It features a distinct streamlined setup, including a fixed rear wing and enhanced suspension, optimizing it for track use. The Divo's rarity and performance prowess have led to its value doubling in the secondary market, highlighting its allure among collectors. Number 9, Pagani Imola Roadster, $6 million. If Tony Stark decided to get a new hypercar, then this would probably be his ride. The Pagani Imola Roadster is a specialized, limited edition variant of the Huayra Roadster, developed for ultimate track performance. Named after the Imola circuit in Italy, where Pagani conducts extensive vehicle testing. This roadster boasts an 838 horsepower Mercedes-AMG V12 engine. It's engineered for aerodynamic excellence, with insights derived from the track-specified Huayra R model. Only 8 units of the Huayra Imola Roadster are planned, making it an exclusive addition to any collection. The Roadster's impressive downforce and lightweight design underscore Pagani's commitment to high-performance engineering. Number 8, Pagani Codalunga, $7.4 million. The second Pagani on this list, the Pagani Codalunga, or Longtail, is a bespoke creation inspired by 1960s Le Mans race cars, developed in collaboration with 2 Pagani collectors. This model features a streamlined design that enhances aerodynamic efficiency. The Pagani Codalunga is so streamlined, it's basically the DeLorean of the hypercar world, except instead of time travel, you're just trying to beat the clock on your way to the next car show. With only 5 units produced, each Codalunga is crafted to perfection, showcasing Pagani's dedication to blending art and science in automotive design. The Codalunga incorporates exposed carbon fiber and aged suede leather, creating a unique aesthetic reminiscent of vintage racing cars. Its extended length and active aerodynamics are engineered for optimal performance, making it a coveted piece among automotive connoisseurs. Number 7, Mercedes-Maybach Exelero, $8 million. The Mercedes-Maybach Exelero is a concept car that has remained a symbol of automotive luxury since its debut in 2005. Commissioned by Fulda to test their Carrot Exelero tires, this one-of-a-kind vehicle features a twin-turbo V12 engine capable of reaching speeds of 350 km per hour. Its design merges elements from the classic Maybach SW38 with modern performance capabilities. The Exelero stands out for its rarity and the ongoing fascination it inspires. Its inclusion in popular media and ownership by high-profile individuals have only added to its allure, cementing its place in the annals of luxury automobiles. Number 6, the Bugatti 110, $9 million. With 110 meaning 110 in Italian, it celebrates Bugatti's 110th anniversary with a homage to the EB110. This ultra-limited hypercar features a design reminiscent of its predecessor, including diamond-shaped air intakes and a distinctive rear profile. Weighing 20 kilograms less than the Bugatti Chiron, it delivers enhanced performance and a unique driving experience. With only 10 units available, the 110 has quickly become a sought-after collector's item while pushing the boundaries of modern hypercar engineering, making it a standout in Bugatti's storied lineup. Number 5, Rolls-Royce Sweptail, $12.8 million. The Rolls-Royce Sweptail, a groundbreaking entry in the coach build program, is a bespoke grand touring coupe inspired by early 20th century vehicles and classic yachts. With its sleek design and luxurious interior, the Sweptail took 4 years to complete, reflecting a meticulous approach to craftsmanship and detail. The Sweptail made its debut at the Concorso d'Eleganza Villa d'Este in 2017. It combines a minimalist interior with premium materials and an uninterrupted glass roof, highlighting Rolls-Royce's commitment to personalized luxury and automotive artistry. Number 4. The Bugatti La Voiture $16 million. The La Voiture, or the Black Car, is a one-off hypercar that pays homage to the legendary Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic with a single-piece carbon fiber body and the Chiron's W16 engine. This vehicle blends speed with unparalleled luxury. Its design combines historical elegance with the best modern engineering. The La Voiture is not only one of the most expensive cars in the world, but also a highly exclusive collector's item. It wouldn't surprise me at all if this car is part of Bruce Wayne's lavish car collection. Its unique design and homage to Bugatti's heritage makes it an undeniable pinnacle of automotive excellence and sophistication. Number 3. Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta $18.5 million. The Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta is a fitting tribute to the legendary Zonda, blending modern technology with artisanal craftsmanship. Designed specifically for Horacio Pagani, this limited edition hypercar features a 760 horsepower AMG engine and a 6-speed manual transmission. The Zonda HP Barchetta's exclusivity is underscored by its limited production run of just 3 units. Its blend of cutting-edge performance and classic design elements makes it a coveted collector's piece in the automotive world. Number 2. The Rolls-Royce Boattail $28 million. The Boattail is a luxurious grand tourer inspired by 1920s and 1930s yachts. As the second car from Rolls-Royce's coach build program, it features a butterfly deck that opens to reveal a hosting suite complete with a parasol and cocktail tables. This bespoke vehicle also includes a set of crystal tableware and dual timepieces crafted in collaboration with Buffett 1822. The Boattail epitomizes opulence and exclusivity. Its design, inspired by classic nautical aesthetics and personal client requests, showcases Rolls-Royce's dedication to creating unparalleled luxury automobiles. Number 1. The Rolls-Royce La Rose Noire Droptail $32 million. The Rose Noire Droptail, or the Black Rose, holds the title of the most expensive car in the world. This bespoke roadster is also part of Rolls-Royce's coach build program and features an intricate design inspired by the Black Boccara Rose, limited to just 4 units. Each car is uniquely named and tailored, with the La Rose Noire being the first delivered. At $32 million, the Rose Noire Droptail is so pricey, it makes Black Panther's suit look like a bargain bin Halloween costume. Its exterior adorned with a bespoke color called True Love and a removable Odemas Piguet timepiece reflects the apex of automotive exclusivity and human artistry. It's basically a car that says, I don't need a budget, just a chauffeur and a lot of ego. This was our take on luxury cars even millionaires couldn't afford, and we'll love to know how you would modify this list. And if you enjoyed our list, it wouldn't hurt to like the video while you're commenting. Remember, unlike a Rolls-Royce Droptail, subscribing to the channel is completely free.